keep with the theme of Prohibition, the cocktail workshop is located in an industrial area of the south side of Chicago.
So the next step in the evolution of our company was create a speakeasy within our office here and bring folks in and show them what we're calling the cocktail workshop.
And go through your guys' tools real quick. A Boston shaker. Types of strainers that are used in the craft cocktail world. You might have one of these at home, you might not. We do 2-part rum and then 1 part lime juice and 1 part of sugar. Daiquiris in the most classic sense.
So one of the things we're doing with the tour is we're taking people around the city and showing them that the one thing Prohibition does really well is kill American mixology and the American bartender. So with the class, what we're trying to do is show them that as America has re-evolved into the mixology world, that they don't have to just go to the grocery store and buy sour mix or pre-made simple syrup for just a little bit effort and actually less money. They're gonna be able to drink at this incredibly elevated level that they haven't been doing before.
The syrup we're gonna make is gonna be a 2-to-1, but the ratio is gonna work all the way through. We're at a boil right now. Yeah, we're good.
We're partnering with Big Catering to bring them in and make sure we show you classic drinks done right, like the daiquiri, the Manhattan, an old fashioned, or a scofflaw.
So one of our concepts was, why aren't we as grown-ups being able to talk how to drink like grown-ups? And that's what we're really trying to get through with this class.
If you're ready to elevate the quality of your drinking, please check us out at prohibitiontours.com.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.